Hi, I'm Bridget Indelicato, and welcome to Mindful Gardening. It's a beautiful September day, and I'm visiting Pollinator Gardens, a rural family-owned property just outside of Bradford, Ontario. Today I'll be taking a tour of the property and talking with its owner, Maria DaCosta. Come check it out with us.
Hey guys, come on out.
8 years ago, the DaCosta family purchased 3 acres of land and transformed it into a gardener's dreamscape. Large vegetable gardens, roaming chickens, a greenhouse, and many native and non-native flowers and trees that support many species of pollinators. And Maria sells the seeds she grows. Hello, Maria. Thank you
Bridget.
thank you so much for having me in your garden. I guess it's been about a year since I've been here.
Yes.
Yeah, something like
year,
that.
Yes.
So how has it been this season? Kind of unusual?
Yes, it's been a different year. Yeah, we had, a cold snap coming. Yeah,
Snow.
I lost some of my plants.
Mm-hmm.
And then the garden didn't do so well at first because of all the heat we had. But now a lot of the plants are looking happy.
And with your produce that you grow here, I imagine moving into fall and winter, you're preserving a lot and extending the season on those. What sorts of things do you make?
Tomato sauce, like salsa, tomato sauce, bruschetta. This year I made bruschetta for the first time, so I hope it's good. I preserve garlic and olive oil. We always grow garlic, so I preserve enough for the whole year. Relish, cucumbers, beans, asparagus. I dry on the dehydrator a lot of that stuff too, and I freeze as well.
You're finding with our current pandemic that you're doing a lot more seed saving, a lot more preserving?
Yes, definitely. Yeah. I'm stocking up on all kinds of things.
Now you plant a lot of trees in your garden as a host plant.
Yes, for butterflies.
Okay.
That's something I'm very passionate about, just to plant native plants to attract the most species of butterflies as possible. And I've been seeing that.
Okay.
As we add more host plants, this one is a hop tree. We have tulip trees. We have native black wild cherry. We have sassafras. We've been adding oaks, more maples, choke cherry.
Wow.
Choke cherry. And we have other host plants like stinging nettles, false nettles, pearly everlasting, all of those. And we've been seeing all those species coming to the garden and laying eggs here. So it's pretty amazing.
And then they're staying here to benefit from your flowers, so you're seeing the adults as well.
Yes. So we try to plant flowers that they will have nectar from, so they can come and lay the eggs, but also stay. And that's been a process, and we love it. Yeah.
And so this one, does it have caterpillars?
This one has some giant swallowtail caterpillars. Giant
swallowtail, okay.
Yes. They also they always lay eggs later in the summer.
Okay.
So this one has some.
Oh.
There, one over there, and it has one in here. But I left some eggs in here, so it's probably more.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now will you bring some of these home with you to overwinter?
I took some already because I had one female. In about 3 days, she laid over 30 eggs.
Wow.
So if I leave all of them here, they will be eaten by wasps and birds.
Okay.
And you don't see as many giant swallowtails around.
Okay.
So I want to help as much as I can.
Sure.
So I normally take some inside, leave some on the plants, and then the ones that I take inside, they form the chrysalis and they overwinter. So I keep them in my unheated garage.
Okay.
And then in about June next year, they start to emerge.
Oh, wow.
And then I let them go.
Yeah. And then start all over again.
They start all over again.
So typically you'd sell seeds in spring, but you're finding with our current reality that a lot of folks want seeds in the fall so that they're ready when the new season begins next year.
Yes, yes. When I started selling seeds in the spring this year, it was a high demand of seeds. I noticed that.
Yeah.
When this pandemic started in March, a lot of people staying home, it gave them that extra time to plant a garden, and knowing that they will have to stay home in the summer, you know, and so people started thinking about growing at home, starting a small garden in their backyard. And lots of people were buying seeds.
So what sorts of seeds do you sell?
Vegetable seeds. Whatever I grow here, that's what I sell.
So tomatoes.
So tomatoes, peppers, radishes, beans, zucchini. Yeah, whatever I grow, but mostly the main vegetables, right?
Sure, popular vegetables.
Yes.
That you enjoy with your family.
Yeah, pumpkins, butternut squash, things like that.
Yeah.
And flowers, lots of flowers.
Lots of flowers.
Lots of flowers, and native flowers as well. We have a lot of native flowers. And all of those seeds I collect and I sell.